Hello everyone, my name is Jansi Rani. I'm working as a HCM Cloud consultant at Covian Consulting Services. Today I'm going to share you a quick read of Touchpoints. So what is Touchpoints? Oracle Touchpoints is part of Oracle Fusion Cloud, Human Capital Management and a foundational solution within the new Oracle Me Employee Experience platform. Fundamentally, it offers employees open challenge to express themselves and feel heard, and it helps managers become better managers with tools for direct listening, continuous engagement, and understanding employee sentiment. Put differently, Oracle Touchpoints gives employees a voice and helps managers listen and respond. So let's get into the topic and let's see the overview. Overview of Touchpoints. It enables managers and employees to have informed and meaningful interactions that build trust, boost engagement levels, and improve productivity. It encourages managers to take necessary steps to improve engagement levels and build trust within their team. Touchpoints are used to build stronger relationship with your manager and enable your management team to address employee needs and concerns as they arise. It also supports employees with tools to voice their opinions and proactively enhance their work interactions. For the setup, there are prerequisites that are needed to configure in the system. So to access all touchpoint features that are applicable to them, managers and employees need to have the appropriate user roles. There are some duty roles, access touchpoints by worker and access touchpoints by manager. So these two are the essential duty roles that should be tagged for each employee and manager to access the touchpoint features. And there is also a profile option called Enable Oracle Touchpoints should be enabled on the Manage Admin Profile options. So let's see the manager view of Touchpoints. As a manager, you can encourage employees to share their needs and thoughts through regular quick pulse surveys. You can view real insights into your team's pulse trends and see how they compare with the rest of the organization. Manager can view all past and upcoming events and interactions with your direct reports on a single consolidated page. It will provide timely feedback on their work performance and also request feedback. So to access the touch points, manager should follow this navigation, and the navigation is My Team, Quick Actions and Touch Points. Manager have all the 4 actions that includes schedule check-in, send feedback, request feedback and celebrate events. So we can see one by one in detail. Send feedback. So the navigation is clicking on employee, actions and feedback. In this feedback page, manager can customize like who can send the feedback. Sending timely feedback on an employee's work performance improves overall productivity. To get started, click the Employees tab on the Touchpoints landing page and select an employee. Next, select the Send Feedback option from the Actions menu or click the Send Feedback button. While sending a feedback, managers can add attachments also to support your comments. As I said, to manage the files by using drag and drop option, managers can share the files, images or URLs to employees. We have the other option called Celebrate Event. Recognizing employee milestones and achievements by sending celebration cards for occasions such as birthdays, work anniversaries, or even early goal completion. To get started, click the Employees tab on the Touchpoints landing page, select an employee. Next, select the Celebrate Event option from the Actions menu on the Employees Touchpoints page. Alternatively, you can click the Celebrate Event button also. While celebrating an event, your manager can choose a selection of card templates to match the occasion. You can also set the card visibility to one of these options, managers and workers, as this will make the card visible to indirect managers as well. And the second option would be only worker and me. Third one is the schedule check-in. Manager can schedule a meeting to regular check-ins, helps employees discuss concerns and share sentiments in a timely manner so that managers can address them effectively. To get started, click the Employees tab on the Touchpoints landing page and select an employee. Next, select the Schedule Check-in option from the Actions menu or click the Schedule Check-in button. And also an important note, a manager can create only one check-in for the same date. We have other option called Events and Interactions. Selecting an employee's name on the employees page takes managers to the employees landing page. Here all the past interactions and upcoming check-ins for the employee appear in a timeline view. Past interactions include check-in meetings scheduled between manager and the employee and anytime feedback, requested feedback and celebration messages received from manager and others. This timeline displays data for 3 months in the past and in the future. And here, manager can have the view of notification. So employee replied events are shown in manager's notification icons as shown in the screenshot. Let's jump into the employee view of Touchpoints. So the navigation of the employee is Me, Quick Actions and Touchpoints. As an employee, you can voice your opinions and share concerns in a timely manner and also view your engagement activity including pulse trends, interactions and completed surveys. View your own pulse trend scores over a period of time and you can also schedule check-in meetings with your manager and add custom or recommended discussion topics. Send feedback or celebration cards to your manager and colleagues to appreciate their work or celebrate their personal milestones. An employee also can request feedback from the manager and others in the organization. So by clicking on the bell icon, employee can access the manager's scheduled check-in and celebratory messages. Events and interaction. In Events and Interactions page, the feedback, the celebration card and scheduled check-ins which sent by manager are visible. Feedback. By clicking on the feedback, employee can reply to the manager which has sent the feedback for the employee. And he can also add a note of his own and he can return his own comments. Celebration. By clicking on celebration, employee can reply back to the manager. When coming to the check-ins, by clicking on check-in, employee can give their comments and mark as discussed. When employee marked as discussed, green tick and update icon will pop up and click update. So this is the way their employee can also create a check-ins with the managers or any others in the organization. So we also have a page of summary, page of manager view, where the total summary will be interacted in this Touchpoint summary page. It shows employee average interaction between manager, upcoming check-ins of employee and pulse score of employees. The list of employees that appears on this employee page pertains to the manager who is currently selected on the summary page. The pulse scores pertain to the survey selected on the summary page. You can also use the switch team button on the employees page to view the employee data for a different manager. However, if you select the summary tab next, the data on the summary page pertains to the manager already selected on that page. It doesn't pertain to the manager that you changed on the employees page. So conclusion, Oracle Touchpoints offers employees and managers a potent combination. It gives employees a voice and the confidence that they will be heard. It provides managers with the tools that they need to act based on engagement and sentiment data. Positive interactions with managers build trust and strengthen employee relationships outside of traditional structured performance managers conversation. And when employees feel understood, work becomes more engaging, productivity increases, and best of all, they are less likely to elsewhere. Thank you.